Hello guys, welcome back on the technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials. Two changes window setting to boost your PC performance. How do you? As we know that sometimes we are doing some special works and their PC due to especially maybe multiple apps and applications that we have been using due to that especially it's working but very slow. So how do you especially to boost your PC performance by changing two tracks? This is a crucial importance of course for all the Windows user. So how do you do that? First and foremost guys, you will have to come in a MS configuration. So where can I get? Just we will go in a window run command and there of course we will have to go in a especially MS config. So before in going the MS config, of course firstly we will have to come in a type here res edit and just we will go for OK, and upon here we will have to go in a this one key current user. Just we will click on here, and thereupon we have a one that is a control panel option. See, just we will click here. Once again furthermore we will come in a desktop, and thereupon of course here we will go desktop. Here just we will come in desktop here. We will have to check it out here. Menu slow PC or a menu show delay, just we will check it out. Just here is a 400, we will have to make it 0 0, and thereupon of course we will enter. So now once again we will check it out here. Now it's a 0 0. Fine. Now what we will do guys, here we will cut it from here. Once again we will come in a command run, especially here we will type ms config. So we will write in a small letter ms config, we will enter. Now here it is. We will come in a boost options, boost to of course we will come the advanced to here. See, number of the processor is a 1, we will have to check it out, and we will go for maximum distance, and upon we will go for, if you would like to have the maximum memory, see, maximum memory, this is here, but don't change it in especially here, don't change, just we will go with this number of the processor, and upon do it, apply, we'll go for OK. So now it's asking for restart. Just we will go for restart and we can check it out here just to see. Now see guys here how quickly it works and what is the response of PC. Now see just before coming a cursor it's giving a next option guys, how it's working. Now we need to especially restart. So before the restarting, once again we will check it out. That is ms config Now it's not taking. Firstly we will have to restart, then it will work. So now I'm going to restart, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box, and check it out how it is trying to, or it's these two changes window setting is boosting your PC performance or not. Just below the comments box you can raise the comments, or of course write especially any kind of the corollary after two changes you are having. So of course it will works too fast, or it will boost your the PC. This is all about, guys. Thank you very much in that.